Hey everybody, it is Ericathestylist, and today I am coming to you with probably one of my favorite types of videos to do. What do you think that is? It's an unboxing. So I got a phone call. Brief little story time. I got a phone call, ring, 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 and it was an unfamiliar number. It wasn't my area code. It said Texas, and I'm like, I'm not answering that. Probably a bill collector, right? So I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna answer that call. And they probably called me about 5 times, and finally they left a voicemail. And I didn't even look at the voicemail because when they left the voicemail, I was at work. So I was just at home probably a week later, and I'm looking through my phone, checking my voicemails, checking my text messages. So I was going through my voicemails, and I had free time, and I seen something that said, we have an important business matter with you. So I'm like, okay, what is this call about? So I listened to the voicemail, and it said, hey, this is such and such from Louis Vuitton. And I was like, I didn't apply for Louis, to work at the Louis store. So why are they calling me? So then I'm listening to the voicemail, and he said, yeah, you purchased a bag from the store in Michigan, and in 2013. We just have a really important business matter with you, so would you give us a call back? I instantly called the number back. So I'm like, hello. And this was a few days before Valentine's Day. So I'm like, hello. And he's like, hi, this is such and such with Louis Vuitton. And I'm like, hi, this is Erica, blah, blah, blah. I received a phone call from you. He said, oh, let me look you up with your phone number. So he took my phone number, he looked me up, and he said, oh yeah, I see that you purchased a Matisse in 2013. Do you still have that bag, or are you able to get a hold of it? I said, I still own that bag. It's still in my possession. It's my favorite Louis. I have other ones, but it's my favorite one, my absolute favorite bag. I'm like, what's the issue? He's like, well, it's subject to this kind of wear and tear on the hardware. If the bag gets too much moisture, it's gonna crack in this spot. And I'm looking at my bag, and I'm like, this bag is lovely. I've kept it up in great condition. Like, why would I ever get rid of my favorite bag? And I'm being extra dramatic, but if you buy like bags and nice things, I'm not saying that you have to like love on them like a puppy or a kid or a spouse, but you love on it like it's a family member. So you get my drift. If you don't get my drift, just click off the video. This is not for you. I'm sorry that you stayed here this long. Anywho, so I'm like, this is my favorite bag. Like, I'm not about to, I'm like, so what do you, he's like, well, we're offering to give you the value amount of the bag. And when he said that, I said, oh, you remember That's So Raven when she used to get her visions? It was like, that's what I did. I'm like, what? Like, oh my God. So are you gonna give me $2,000 and then I break? So I'm shooting this video on my husband's on the other end. He was supposed to be watching me, but yet he's over there snoring. Anyway, so you're gonna give me $2,000. You telling me, bring my bag back, my favorite bag back to the store, and you're gonna give me $2,000 to come get something brand new, or whatever the value of the bag was. And I'm like, well, I have to think about this because I don't want to give my favorite bag up. I absolutely love that bag, like with everything that's in me. I'm not ready to give it up yet. So he was like, well, call me back, think it over. So I called my mom, ring, ring, ring. I'm like, Mom, guess who been calling me? And I've been dodging the number. I'm just getting over a cold, so that's why I sound like this. Excuse me. So I tell her what's going on. She's like, go get you a new bag, girl. I'm like, man, I knew she was gonna say that. She's like, which one you gonna get? And I'm like, I don't know. I haven't been looking at any bags. Like, I'm enjoying the bags that I have right now. So then I call my sister, and I'm like, telling her what to do. And the first thing she said was, which one you gonna go get? I'm like, are these people not remembering that this is my favorite bag? Anywho, long story short, I took my favorite bag into the store. And I'm gonna insert some clips of me handing it off. I absolutely love that bag. You cannot get it anymore. I'm probably gonna have to go and buy it like on consignment or from Poshmark or one of the purse websites, because I just love the bag that much. But I didn't love it that much because I gave it up. But I wanted something else. I wanted something new. I've carried it for 6 years, and I carried that bag. When I buy a bag, I carry it. Like, it's my bag. I didn't even have my glasses on. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you the bag that I have. So this is a true unboxing. I've had this bag for almost 2 weeks, and it's been sitting on the table. Nobody in my family knows what bag I picked. My husband doesn't know. And they took my bag to the back of the store, and I wanted to cry. But I really do like this bag that I got. Okay. Oh, I thought it was one of the pop open ones. It's a pull out. See, I didn't even know. Okay. So here we go. Let me turn it this way. I'm super excited. I've been having this, like I said, for 2 weeks, and I have not taken it out. I haven't carried it or anything. Oh, I'm so excited. It's in here. Yeah. Okay, wait, let me look at it first. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, let me just show you. Let me show you. Oh. This is the bag that I got. Oh, isn't it so adorable? Like, is this not the cutest bag that you've ever seen? And I'm a mom of 3. So this is the perfect bag for me for vacation. This is the perfect bag if I want to go on a cute little date night. This is the perfect bag if I want to go run some errands, if I want to run to the mall. And let me tell you why. I looked at this bag on the website, and I said it didn't seem really functional. I'm like, it's really small. It has a top handle. I wasn't in love with it from the website. But like I said, I do have the bandolier strap, and it does have the monogram print on it. But I figured if I did put it on this bag, I could just flip it to the other side and kind of wear it as a crossbody. Well, isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. So that's that on my back. It's a crossbody bag. Like, that is so cute. I just love it. So my bandolier strap is a little patina right now, so it's kind of dark, which is what happens. No worries. I'm gonna put it on and show you how I can carry it as like a shoulder bag. So like I told you, it's the monogram print, but it's all Louis, right? Who cares if it doesn't look like the Damier? Yes. So then I can also use this and carry it as a shoulder bag, just like this. It's so cute. I just love it. Yes. Oh, I can't fit my hand in there and just carry it right there. But yes, I love it. I stuck quite a few of my items that I carry in all my other bags in this bag while I was in the store, and that's what had me sold. It looks small, but it packs a punch. So definitely stay tuned, because you know I'm gonna show what I can fit in this bag, and I'm definitely gonna keep you all posted on the wear and tear, because it is a pink bag, and let's just be real, it's going to get dirty. But I'm gonna do my best to keep it nice and clean. And like I said, I didn't pay anything for this bag. Louis Vuitton basically swapped out my Matisse hobo style bag, and I got this one instead, and she is such a beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, share. I'm trying to keep my videos coming regularly. I really enjoy making videos. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.